Today unboxing is on the latest Tomica Limited Vintage release. The pair of 4-door Skyline R32, one is the all-tech version and the other a petrol car from Ibaraki Prefectural. Both are very unique casting in my opinion. These are the sort of understated casting many makers choose to avoid, and kudos to TLV for releasing these. And now let's take a closer look at the R32 4-door Skyline in all-tech version. Very clean casting, the paint job is very close to Millennium Jade. Of the details on the headlights coming from TLV, the wheel set definitely caught my attention. Very realistic, and 5-spokes wheel set like this are very popular among collectors. Standard suspension that rolls extremely well with very detailed interior. The rear is simple but it's realistic. Very clean. The plastic rear light seems dark to me but it looks realistic. Also like the execution of the exhaust. Detailed base in metal that applies for all TLV car at this price point. Next, the R32 4-door Skyline for Ibaraki Police. Included is a separate component. The red lights, they will need to attach to the petrol car on the front, which I will skip it. If you are R32 and police car lover, this is definitely the casting for you. Clean paint job with the police crest on the hood. I like the siren for the Heisei era period, and TLV did a great job by beautifully replicating them. The wheel set are not as cool as the all-tech version that includes standard suspension and rolls extremely well. Similar detail and metal base for the R32. I'm very pleased to add this clean and nostalgic Skyline to my police car collection for TLV. It's a very stunning and understated model, and that's what I want and what I like. And overall, a great job done by TLV. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!